you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Navigate to the graphics options in the game menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if performance improves. Step 3. Disable VSync. Turn off VSync in the game settings. This can help reduce input lag and stuttering by allowing the game to run at a high frame rate, which can lead to smoother gameplay. Step 4. Use performance mode. If you're playing on a console, switch to performance mode if available. This mode prioritizes frame rate over visual quality, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Monitor background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume system resources can interfere with game performance, so make sure to shut them down before playing. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming.